Today's video is about how OpenERP helps your company boost sales by attracting more e-commerce visitors. To get more visitors, your website's content should match what people are searching for online. Let's start with the example of selling the point-of-sale hardware solution based on OpenERP. To promote this e-commerce page, it's as simple as clicking on the promote option up here and filling it up. You first need to define some keywords in order to map your page's description. For example, if I put POS, barcode, point of sale, and receipt printer as a couple of the keywords that describe my page, I see all the related topics that are linked to the keywords I just filled in. This cleverly allows me to decide whether the keywords that I'm selecting really match also the expectations of my viewers and online visitors. I can see, for example, the POS keyword has related topics such as insurance, guys, very broad, and I don't want to keep it, so I'll just delete it. The receipt printer, on the other hand, matches the lexicon that is related to my point of sale, and everything seems in line for optimizing this page on the web. Once your keyword's defined, you can head over to the referencing of your page. This is interesting because as you complete the title, for example, of your page, let's put point of sale software for iPad OpenERP, you can see that the mapping of the keywords is also getting highlighted, therefore guiding you in the matching process and seeing how far or how rich your optimization is. The referencing can continue down to the description of the web page, and you can get a bit more creative by saying that the solution is compatible with all types of systems and equipment. You can add that means for Android, for iPhone, and cash register. It's incredible how OpenERP guides me in making quick and smart adjustments to my optimization. The power of the adjustments themselves rely on Google's referencing. Studies show that 70 to 80% of online users don't actually pay attention to ads, but rather focus on the organic results. What's more, 18% of them click on the first link, 10 on the second, and 7 on the third. All these studies comfort the OpenERP user in knowing that his descriptions match organic searches. The optimization needn't stop itself there. You can continue editing inline the product's description. We can replace the POS with point of sale, because as we saw before, POS wasn't a great term to be used in the matching process. This inline editing is immediately reflected not only in your product catalog, but also in the URL of it, as you can see here, further comforting you that you will match Google's organic search results. Bear in mind that the optimization and promotion feature is possible on any page of your website. Let's take, for example, the possibility of creating a new blog post. Let's start writing a customer success story on one of OpenERP's clients, then let's also add on some images. Now before I go into describing this story, I can actually utilize the promote feature again. We can see that the existing keyword OpenERP is often related to the following topics in Google, and the first one that comes up is review. So let's switch up a bit our title of our blog post to OpenERP review, then an use case. With that in mind, I'm going to copy this and also edit my blog post title accordingly. Let's keep on getting more information about Google searches related to our blog post topic. Say, for example, I want to see what people are searching for when looking at food industries, open source, and OpenERP review. OpenERP makes the pulling of Google search information simple. By clicking on the keywords, you can find more keywords and so forth. This will ultimately guide you in the description of your blog's text. I'm going to replace the subtitle now with Danone uses several OpenERP modules since 2013. Again, all my modifications are directly impacted throughout the website and its URL system. I can see here when re-entering my blog post, the URL has correctly been updated. It's directly reflected in Google searches, increasing your website's visibility and traffic, and ultimately boosting your company's sales.